Hey guys, in this quick 2025 tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Google Calendar desktop shortcut so you can open your calendar right from your PC with one click. First, open Google Calendar in Google Chrome on your computer. Once it's loaded, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome. Go down to Save and Share, then click Create Shortcut or Open in Window depending on your version. Make sure to check Open as Window so it looks like and feels like a desktop app. Click Create and Chrome will automatically place a shortcut on your desktop. You can now open Google Calendar directly like any other app. No browser tabs needed. If you want, you can even pin it to your taskbar or start menu for quicker access. And that's it. You've got the Google Calendar desktop app on your PC. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick 2025 tech tutorials every week.